Prestashop IP and Bot Blocker Module Overview. Block unwanted traffic by IP, country, or user agent. Protect your store from bots and malicious visitors. Easily add IPs or countries to block lists. Manage settings from the Prestashop admin panel. Improve security and reduce spam/attack risks. This is module understanding video of Prestashop IP Blocker module. So here we are proceeding further to first install the module on the Prestashop store. To install the module on the Prestashop store, first you have to click on Module Manager tab. When you will click on it, you will have a page like this, where you will find a right top corner button, Upload a Module. You have to click here. You will have a pop-up like this, where you will find a button to select a file. You have to click here. It will redirect you to the file. There you have to choose a file and upload here. Once the installation is complete, you will find a message like Module Installed and a button of Configure. You will click on it. It will redirect you to the general setting page of the module. And by default, you will find the module in a disabled state there. So this is how the general setting page looks and where your module finds in a disabled state. Also, you will find your module on the left side menu. Here, you have to first enable the module so that it will be activated for your store. Just click on Save after enabling the button. You will have a success message of configuration, saved successfully. Next, we are having Disable the Google reCAPTCHA. If you will enable it, you will have a field to enter the site key and the secret key. These keys need to be configured to the respective page. You need to configure the requested keys. Then only module will be working on the store. So module of reCAPTCHA will work. So reCAPTCHA will be working on the IP config. If you will enable this field, it will keep it disabled. So if you need to enable this field, you have to enter the respective keys. To configure these keys, we have given the steps to follow the same below the page. You have to follow the steps and complete the configuration of the Google reCAPTCHA tab. There, you will find those requested keys. Next, we are having the Display Custom message. This message will be shown to the customer on the page where they have been blocked. So you can edit this message in case or else the by default message will be shown. Next, we are having Include the footer and the page. If you want your store to be blocked only on the middle content of the page or the header would need to be shown, then you have to keep it disabled. Else you want your complete store to be disabled for customer for those you have blocked. So you have to enable this field. Customer email notification. This email notification will be going to the admin and they will be notified that customer has requested to attempt to unblock. Next, we are having of Knowband block user by ID. So here you can enter the IP address of the customer or the bulk you can enter like the wildcard as mentioned in the example. So you can enter the IP like this. The IP, which is starting from 49.36, and the flows and so on will be blocked and the user will not be able to access the content. You have to enable this and click on Save. Now this wildcard has been registered in the IP tab. Next we are having You can block by user to the country. You have to add the country from which the user should be blocked. Let's suppose we have entered the India and click on Save. Now the Indian person will not be able to access these stores. Next, we are having the block users by agent. You can import the CSV. You have to click on Import. You are having a page to select the file to upload. You can download the sample and check what data should be present in the upload CSV file. So you can check and upload the same. In case any of the things is not correct, then it will show the validation, else it will import the details which have been mentioned in the CSV. Next, the customer requested. Whoever customer will request to unblock them, their request will come here, and the details will be listed in the respective columns. Next, Knowband allowed IP. Here you are allowing some IP that only will be able to access your store. You can import the CSV, as well as you can import it manually one by one. Next, we are having the Knowband all IP. Also, if a client is requesting your store to be accessed, then those will be listed here. Now go to the front end and check. For the India, we have blocked, so we have checked. The blocker page is being shown, and this is the default message. Now we are requesting to unblock. You have to enter the mail and the message. You have to send the request. The request will be sent to the admin. As you can see, thanks for contacting us. We will be processing your request. Go to the admin. You will find the customer request in the respective tab. As you can see here, the message, the IP address, the agent, the requested days is being mentioned. Now, if you go on the country and disable the country that has been active to be blocked and refresh the page, we are still not able to access the site since we have already blocked from the IP as well. We have to disable the same. Now go on the front end and refresh the page. You will be able to access the site. This is how the IP Blocker module works for the Prestashop store. Thank you.